your pre-workout Jolt. I'm so jolted already, and I have to share the energy because sharing is caring. And when you give, you receive. Going live today at 8 a.m. with our Deep Detox Sexy Sculpt and Stretch. I'll be doing also some booty moves as well to bump up the booty to get you ready for our glute Pam tie-in clinic this Friday. And you're going to need your foam rollers as well because we killed it yesterday. We're going to get rid of any inflammation. And I want to thank our sponsor again, Monument Life, for all of your goodies that are coming in the future. I've been working behind the scenes on that. So right now, I want to share with you just a really great motivational prayer, if you will. This is really, really, really important. Lord, let me be an instrument of thy peace. Where there is hatred, let me sow love. Where there's injury, pardon. Where there's doubt, faith. Where there's despair, light. Where there's sadness, joy. O divine master, grant that I may not so much seek to be consoled as to console, to be understood as to understand, to be loved as to love. For it is in the giving that we receive. It is in the pardoning that we are pardoned. It is in the dying to self that we are born to eternal life. This is the St. Francis Assisi prayer, and I love that quote because I've been saying this one a lot. When you give, you receive. And I was like reading this today, and I was like, I got to share this with the VIP sisters. And I love to give. Giving is the new receiving. This Friday, we're starting our really great, fun co-reading experience together. I want you guys to read the introduction in chapter 1 of the Reclaim and Unleash Your VIP Power book, and we're going to be covering that together as a group. A lot of great exercises. I'm going to be asking you guys questions. Thank you for the love, guys. Yelly, good morning, Jackie. I love the facial tapping World Summit. That is so cool. I love that you saw that. By the way, happy birthday to Angela Wallman. You're such an angel in all of our lives. I've had the sincere pleasure of knowing you, I believe like 10 years at least. And to know that we're still connected means a lot to me. We all love you and we celebrate you. I also wanted to give a shout out to Maya in the Bahamas. She asked me how I take my apple cider vinegar. I'm going to show you now. This is 1 tablespoon, okay, 1 tablespoon. I'm just going to take it like a shot. If you want to dilute it and be drinking it over a period of time, you can do that. Whatever works for you. Sometimes I'll take my big water and I'll put my tablespoon in there and just sip it all day, which you can do, which I saw Chelsea did. She got her water ready. So cheers, here we go. Sip of oxygen first before I sip this. Sometimes I like just to take it like that. It's so smooth. Oh my God. Because you get it down. I feel it like just warming up my throat. Great to warm up your throat. Get rid of any sinus issues. Get rid of any mucus that's built up over the night, and you feel a little warming sensation all the way down. You can do a little chaser with it. You know what? Knowing is not enough. We must do. That's why I always am about unleash. You know, people say take action. I'm like, unleash it. That's why I named the book that. I use that word, unleash it. Activate it. Take action. You know, because then you go from good, better, best. And only you can change your life. So right now, you are in the driver's seat. What are you going to do? Leave it in park? Are you going to hang out in the car? Are you going to drive it from 0 to 60 and get where you want? Or you can take a leisurely stroll, nice, you know, Sunday fun day drive. However you want to get to where you want to go, enjoy the journey, okay? We have to get gas on the way. Listen to this metaphor. How do you stay fueled up? Prayed up, gratitude, stay focused with other people around you. And every day, there's a new day comes with new beginnings, new opportunities, right? Optimism is the faith that leads to achievement. I put faith right here because every time I see, when I grab for something, I see it because faith is so important. Faith is a muscle that you got to use, all right? And the secret of getting ahead is just getting started and staying in your lane, staying focused and enjoying the journey with other like-minded people. So right now below, I want you to post your goals for February. And guess what, guys? I can't believe it already. Do you believe that we are 10 days away from Valentine's? 10 days away from Valentine's. This is huge. Guys, we're like 10 days away. I want you to celebrate your loved ones. Now, it just doesn't have to be about the romantic love between you and your soulmate. It can be self-love, self-respect. We're doing the whole month of self-love, self-respect. And when we start the Skinny Jean Challenge after Valentine's on the 18th, we're going to really engage in some wonderful self-care tips. Okay, so what are your goals? The first step is the hardest. Thank you, Shelby. I'm driving fast and furious. Woo, I love it. No speed bumps in your way. I want to lose 10 pounds and continue to be better myself. We're here for you. I love that you're doing it also with your soulmate, with your husband. It's a family affair. Thank you so much, Ratiba. Love you so much. Joel, my longtime friend. We did the calendar in 2006 at Nikki Beach. Love you, Joel. I'm here for you. I love all of you guys. In closing, I want to say this. Get ready for Friday. It's going to be awesome. We're going to be doing the glute hand tie-in clinic. We're going to be doing the book, reading the book together. I'm going to be also covering a lot of great things that are going to help you shed the fat fast. Today, after the workout, I'm going to share with you my brushing, how I brush towards the heart. I'm going to share with you, so I'm going to make videos, and also how I exfoliate for max results of fat loss and also getting rid of any cellulite or loose skin. Okay, so be on the lookout for that. One thing that I'd love to ask for you guys, will you please go to J&L Gym, my Facebook page that's linked to my private page, and leave a review. I don't like to ask too much of my VIPs because I like to give, and I don't like to ask too much. I want to serve you. But if there's one thing you can do as an independent artist, as a small business owner, please go to the page and leave a review. It means so much to me. Because then we can build and grow with the right women. Our girl gang, our squad, our VIP vibe tribe. Okay, so that means so much to me. In closing, guys, I want you to know that I love going above and beyond for you. And I'm going to speak a powerful blessing and miracle into your life that we are receiving. Say it after me. I am in a state of receiving. All my energy portals are open and ready for more. I can do more with my newfound strength and stamina and energy, endurance. I can do more, okay? So right now, your cup is going to overflow, but that overflow is to serve others. This is for you. I just want to speak that miracle into you. And right now, miracles are happening. I can feel them. Anticipate them. Angels are here. Divine intervention is here. I love you guys. I will see you at 8 a.m. Barefoot chic. You don't need any shoes, okay? Also, wash your hands really good. No oils or creams on your hands or feet so you grip better. That's something I had to learn the hard way. And it is Valentine's, guys. I'm so happy. Will you be my Valentine, please? Will you be mine? I love you guys. I will see you at 8 a.m. Let's do this. God bless you. Woo! Receiving. Thank you, Suzanne. Yes, Olga, hello. If you're not a member, go to jnlvip.com. Your first month is $1, then $25 after that every month. I believe in you guys. Let's do this. Thank you, Sally. Thank you, Nina.